subscribe Tiny Genius Hub.
Welcome, kids. Today we're going on a fun adventure to discover the homes of different animals. Let's explore where they live. Dog. Dogs live in cozy houses called kennels or in homes. Elephant. Elephants roam and rest in grasslands and dense forests. Bear. Bears hibernate in caves or dens in the wild. Lion. Lions rest and live in grassy plains called savannas. Deer. Deer find shelter in forests and open grasslands. Horse. Horses stay in stables or graze in open fields. Bee. Bees build and live in hives, busy making honey. Wolf. Wolves create dens in forests or underground burrows. Spider. Spiders spin intricate webs to live and catch prey. Sheep. Sheep stay in barns or graze in wide pastures. Duck. Ducks nest near water in reeds or grasses. Cow. Cows rest in barns or graze in lush fields. Ant. Ants build complex underground colonies with many chambers. Panda. Pandas live in bamboo forests, munching on bamboo. Fish. Fish swim and live in lakes, rivers, and oceans. Hen. Hens roost in coops and lay eggs in nests. Monkey. Monkeys live in treetops and tropical rainforests. Mouse. Mice lives in tiny holes. Rabbit. Rabbits live in burrows called warrens, dug underground for safety. Bird. Birds nest in trees, bushes, or build nests on buildings. Wasn't that amazing, kids? Now you know where all these animals call home. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonderful world of animals. Thanks for learning about animal homes with us. See you next time.